Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something really exciting. This video was created using a free AI tool. While you're watching, I hope you learn how to do it yourself too. If you like what you see, drop a comment in the section. What you're watching right now was fully made with a free AI tool. Cool, right? I hope this inspires you to try it yourself. If you're feeling it, leave a comment on it. Buy my fresh tomatoes cheaper!
All these videos were created with AI and it's free, made by Bill and Brand with Quick.
I know you love those images that are actually talking, and the good thing is that to get the scripts is free, and to make them talk, all those videos you see are all from free AI tool, and I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make these images to talk, starting from generating the script to generating the images and to make the images to talk. I'm going to show you one free AI tool that you can use to generate your images that is clean and realistic. The best part of this is, as a business owner, you can advertise your business using this free AI tool. And as a brand builder, you can actually use this as well. Then if you're advertising your skill, why not? You can use it like you've seen in this video. So let me take you through and show you step by step how you can get this done. The first thing we have to do is to head over to your Chrome browser, right? We want to generate the script. Remember, we need the script first so that we can be able to generate whatever we want to generate. So you head over to your ChatGPT. You already have your ChatGPT. If you have the app, no problem, but I use Chrome basically, so you can use your browser like that is ChatGPT app. Okay, of course, if you are first time, like if you've not used ChatGPT before, right, you need to sign into the ChatGPT. All right, so this is my ChatGPT right now, and now in ChatGPT, so two options. If you have the prompt already, like already written out somewhere, you just copy it. I mean the idea of the picture you want to use. If you've not gotten the picture yet, remember we want the picture to be generated. If you don't have the picture, right? So, but if you don't have the prompt, this is how you do it. This is the first step. What I do is that instead of typing, I'll just come to this arrow here. That is this speaker microphone arrow, this microphone icon. Start off ChatGPT now. Okay, guy, I want to generate an image for my video tutorial on how we can do use Grok. How we can use Grok to make the image to talk. So I need you to give me a prompt of an African lady, average African lady, as a content creator or as a YouTuber who wants to start creation. All right, then facing the camera directly with a microphone and with a ring light, just a typical content creator. So give me a prompt for this kind of image. All right, so I'm done generating, I'm done speaking for, giving the idea of what I need. So ChatGPT will automatically make this to happen. Of course, this is what I need. So I'm going to go over to send it to ChatGPT to generate me a prompt that I can use. Now, if I want ChatGPT to create me the image of this prompt, of course, it's very simple. This is a prompt, right? So you go ahead and copy it. Copy it. Remember, when you copy, it's going to reflect like so. You want to take over all these parts. You want to delete them out. Delete them out. Let's just delete them out so that to make it easy for us to proceed. Okay, so this is it. This is the prompt. So highlight it and select everything and copy it. Now, if you want ChatGPT to generate this image for you, so that you can test it with other AI, which one gives you the perfect and realistic look you're looking for, you can go ahead and send this prompt to ChatGPT to create it for you. It's going to start generating it, but we are not going to wait because of time. I'm going to leave this interface to another interface. That prompt, let's take it to Meta AI. Let's take it to Meta AI. So you head over to your WhatsApp. You head over to your WhatsApp. This is your WhatsApp, right? This Meta here. You click on this icon. You see Meta. That prompt you copy it, paste it here. All right, and write something like this. Create, write. It makes it interesting. So you wait for it to. Sometimes it might not generate the image for you. Sometimes if it's in a good mood, it's going to give you an image. So 1, 2, 3, we have an image. Do you like this? Okay, so since this comes first, we're going to save it, right? Let's check if ChatGPT is done. But before you head over to ChatGPT, let's head over to another app that we can use to generate this image. Okay, let's go over to Grok. Go over. If you don't have this Grok AI, please download it from Play Store. Okay, once you download it, you have to sign up with your email as usual. So I have the prompt already. So this is the interface. So I'm going to come here, imagine, right? Now I don't need email video. I need image. So I'm going to type here, but this is what is going to happen here. I'm going to paste the prompt I copied here, and I'm going to ask Grok to generate me create, right? All right, so let's see what Grok has for us. You see Meta AI, we are going to see prompts. So we can now compare and okay, perfect. So prompts have given us options, okay? So if you are okay with any of these, right? You can pick any one that you want to use, right? Okay, so I'm going to pick anyone here. But if you are not okay with it, the image generated, any way you generated it, the same process. Once you select the image, okay, so I'm going to pick this. Which one should we go with? Which one should we go with? I think we should go with I like this. It looks so realistic, right? So if you look down, you're going to see make video, right? Good. Now we already have the prompt. This is the image from the prompt. So let's say we want to make video, just a talking video. We want to make this image now to talk. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on this make video.
Back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something really exciting. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something really exciting.
Oh my goodness.
Hey everyone, welcome back.
Do you see? This is automatic. That is, it's giving you the automatic voicing, right? So you can change the voice to the voice you want the grok, whatever you want the voice to say, right? So let's do that. Let's do that. Should we? Yeah, let's do that. So go over to that custom, right? And type in something. Okay, so you could say, okay, so I'm going to say, okay, make her say, welcome to my channel. This is Build and Brown with Kui. So let's see how she's going to say that. So once you send it, it's going to regenerate the video again, making it to say that thing you want her to say. Remember, the first one was the automatic voicing, which is something not bad based on the prompt that was given to the Grok to generate. So you see how beautiful Grok is. I love this particular AI because it's just so unique. It's different from every other AI so far. I mean, it's the best. I'm not bragging. Okay, so let's listen.
Welcome to my channel. This is Build and Brand with Kuyik.
Oh my goodness, do you love that? Oh my god, please just go and type in the comment section that you love this particular Grok AI. Just type in. I want to see it in the comment section. Once you're done, hit this download button and your download have started. It is downloaded into your phone already. How beautiful it is. So now this is the first part, right? Remember, you have an image that was generated into your phone from ChatGPT or from anywhere. So if you have it, that particular image, and you want to use that image instead of you to use image from Grok, but I recommend use Grok because Grok has amazing and fantastic realistic images without flaws. I mean, you can see it, right? You come to this add image, this plus sign. This is the image we generated from Meta AI. So let's see what Grok can turn this image into, right? So let's go ahead and customize this image. We are going to customize this image. So we are going to say the same thing, make her say. But aside that, let's listen to the automatic. Good. It's not saying anything, right? So you want the image to say something. Let's go. It's going to regenerate the image from ChatGPT. It's not saying anything. The image from Grok says something automatically. You see the difference? So I would advise stay on Grok. You Grok everything. Get your prompt from ChatGPT. If you can't get the prompt from Grok, of course you can get it from Grok. You can get everything from Grok. Get to the imaging and get your everything set. Let's listen.
Welcome to Build and Brand with Kuyik. This image is from Meta AI.
Oh my goodness, so sweet, right? So this is how you get this, and hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if this was helpful. So you can use this for your business advertisement on your Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, and so on and so forth. Okay. If this is the first time of you coming across my profile, this is Build and Brand with Quick, and in this channel I teach new YouTubers, new content creators on X to grow, build and monetize their account. If this sounds like something you love to know, kindly hit that like button and subscribe. Turn on the post notification so you don't miss any of my upcoming video.